Hey everybody, and welcome to this week's edition of YouTube Winners and Losers. Our winner this week is Justin Bieber Vevo. Now hold on, before you get upset because one, Justin Bieber is winner, and two, a Vevo channel is winner, let me give you the good explanation. Justin Bieber Vevo recently got 77 million additional views for his channel, moving up one spot from 6th to 5th most viewed of all time on YouTube. That is seriously incredible numbers. 1.3 billion views on the Justin Bieber Vevo channel. That's numbers I can't even wrap my head around. And I'm a recent convert to Never Say Never. I actively hid from that song. I didn't want to hear it. I didn't want to be one of those people that's like, oh, I hate Justin Bieber. I hear the song, I go see the movie, I'm his biggest fangirl. I don't know, there was something dirty about that to me. And then yesterday I was in the car, and without realizing it, it came on and it went into my brain, and now it is stuck in my head, and I will never say never. And I'm just really obsessed with that song. And I'm sorry to everyone that's disappointed about that, but to everyone that has heard the song with me, oh my God, such a good song. And I don't know, I needed to admit to you all that it is my guilty pleasure that I will never say never. It's such a good song. It's such a good song. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I will go back to being more, objectively passive about Justin Bieber, but right now, I will never say never. Because I'm born this way. So, in your face, I'm born this way, so I can be never say never. We just need to move on. And our loser this week is another pop star, but not a Vevo channel pop star. It's Britney TV, hidden from the top 100 most subscribed, but definitely on the top 100 most viewed. She went down 4 spots from 22nd to 26th most viewed of all time, only getting about 200,000 views this past couple weeks. That's not good enough to compete on the top viewed of all time channels. These channels get millions and millions every single week, so Britney TV, you need to pick it up or you're gonna fall off that list. Speaking of the top viewed list, we have to give a congratulations to Eminem Vevo and Rihanna Vevo, who recently crossed that 1 billion total views on their channel mark. That is crazy amazing. Good job to those two artists. And the one big move on the top viewed list this week is Contour, who moved up from 88th to 80th, having gotten 25 million additional views recently. Congratulations, Contour. And now for what you love, the top 3 most subscribed channels on the top 100 this week. Number 3 is Freddie Wong with 56,000 subscribers. Number 2 is Ray William Johnson with 66,000 subscribers, and number 1, Machinima, 67,000 subscribers this week. Congratulations to the entire top 3. And to all the Ray fans out there, sad that he was not number 1 most subscribed out of the week this week. That's okay, because he recently hit the 3 million subscriber mark. This week, he crossed that 3 million subscriber mark, less than 300,000 subs away from Nigahiga. Give it a couple more months, and we're gonna have a new number 1 most subscribed of all time on YouTube. Speaking of Ray William Johnson, he just started a Freddie Wong video, and Freddie Wong himself doing very well on YouTube, moving up 2 spots from 25th to 23rd most subscribed of all time. This week is Tobuscus's birthday week, and he's doing very well on his birthday week, moving up 3 spots from 39th to 36th most subscribed of all time. Kurt Hugo Schneider continues his good rise, moving up 4 spots from 43rd to 39th. Jonas Brothers Music continue their fall, moving down 4 spots from 38th to 42nd. St. Andrews moved up 5 spots this week from 67th to 62nd most subscribed of all time. But the big winner on rankings this week is Your Favorite Martian, which moved up 13 spots from 82nd to 69th. And this week we finally have a new person to welcome to the top 100 most subscribed of all time. Reckless Tortuga sits at number 100. Congratulations, Reckless Tortuga. Finally good to have you on the top 100. Love that channel. If you don't know what it is, if you haven't seen any of its videos, go check out Reckless Tortuga right now. But let us all take a second to remember and mourn the loss of Hot for Words from the top 100 most subscribed channels of all time on YouTube. With Reckless Tortuga coming on, she is replaced and falls off down to 101 most subscribed of all time. She has been on the top 100 for so long, making so many amazing videos. Hopefully she can step it up and get back in the top 100, but as of right now, we have lost Hot for Words from the top 100 most subscribed. Some quick video statistics before I wrap up and let you head out for your weekend. The top 3 most commented video this week had a shakeup. First was Brittany Louise Taylor, then it was Lady Gaga's new music video, and then Ray William Johnson. And of course, the most liked video this week is Lady Gaga's Born This Way music video, which was so good now that I've watched it a bunch of times. Love it. Just the song itself, so infectious. Love it. And that's all I've got for you this week. Thank you so much for watching YouTube Winners and Losers. Hope you had a fantastical week. Have a great weekend. And until Tuesday on YouTube News, I'll be seeing you later. Remember, always leave all your comments down below, rate, thumbs up, and subscribe if you like it, if you love it. You can favorite it. And yeah, just have an awesome weekend, because I know I am. And yeah, I'll be talking to you soon on Tuesday. Bye, everybody.